In 1935, the British government asked a physicist named Robert Watson Watt to investigate something alarming. Reports were coming in that Nazi Germany had developed a death ray, a weapon that could incinerate pilots from the sky using radio waves. Watson Watt ran the numbers. A death ray wasn't possible. But while working on the problem, he realized radio waves could do something else entirely: bounce off aircraft and reveal their position. That was the birth of radar. By 1940, British engineers John Randall and Henry Boot had refined the key component, a device called the cavity magnetron. It generated concentrated bursts of microwave energy powerful enough to detect a submarine periscope from the air. American military scientists later called it the most valuable piece of technology ever brought to American shores. Raytheon, a defense contractor in Massachusetts, went to work mass-producing magnetrons for the war effort. An engineer there named Percy Spencer, a self-taught physicist who'd left school at 12, became one of the world's leading experts in the device. Then one day in 1945, Spencer was running tests on an active magnetron. He reached into his pocket. His chocolate bar had melted. He went out and got a bag of popcorn, held it in front of the magnetron. It popped. He called in a colleague to watch an egg cook. It exploded in the man's face. Raytheon filed a patent that same year. 2 years later, they released the first commercial microwave oven. It weighed 750 pounds, stood nearly 6 feet tall, and cost $5,000. By 1975, microwave ovens were outselling gas cookers. A death ray that wasn't. A submarine hunter that was. And the thing on your kitchen counter that reheats your leftovers.